Lynk Co. 06, a small SUV that combines stylish appearance, elegant interior, intelligent configuration, and excellent safety performance, has made a big splash with its extraordinary product power since its launch. The front face adopts a highly recognizable double-layer grille design, with contrasting color elements that combine fashion and personality. The side lines of the car's body are simple and smooth, the waistline is straight and strong, and the roofline is slightly drooping, creating a dynamic stance. The rear of the car is rich in layers, and the taillights are unique and highly recognizable, highlighting the unique charm of the Lynk Co. 06 family. In order to meet the individual needs of consumers, Lynk Co. 06 also offers a variety of rim styles and body colors for users to choose from, allowing each car owner to create a unique and exclusive car. Lynk Co. 06 Interior. The brand new interior style is full of refinement and luxury. No matter where you see it in the car or touch it, you can feel the meticulousness and ingenious design. The Energy Surge memory seat adopts the original 5-layer structure design, and a new layer of comfort is added to make it more suitable for the curves of the human body and provide proper support. The main driver's seat, which gives a comfortable feeling as if you were on the clouds, is also equipped with a memory function, making every ride a pleasant experience. The design of the space-time rhythmic floating island is even more unique. The 9 columns are light, and the ambient lights are full of technology, adding a dreamy and romantic atmosphere to the car. In terms of intelligent configuration, the Lynk Co. 06 family also exhibits outstanding performance. The upgraded Dragon Eagle 1 chip and the latest OSN vehicle system work together to provide users with a smooth and rich operating experience. The 14.6-inch large central control screen not only provides a wide field of view, but also provides the meaningless interactive experience of playing mobile phones on the large vehicle screen through FlyMeLink, fully meeting the entertainment needs while driving. The dual widescreen connected display system supports the 3-finger flying screen function, allowing you to switch the screen content at will, making driving more comfortable and efficient. The intelligent voice butler Hicks can listen, talk and better understand user needs, adding a thoughtful and friendly atmosphere to the driving process. In addition, Lynk Co. 06 is also equipped with various interesting functions such as karaoke mode, esports area and smart fragrance system, which make the driving process full of endless fun and surprises. It also shows the same performance in terms of safety performance. The combination of high-strength materials, solid body structure and energy-absorbing materials creates a solid safety fortress for Lynk Co. 06. The high-strength steel and aluminum alloy ratio in the white body is up to 63.4%, providing solid protection for the driver and passengers. The green and environmentally friendly cockpit adopts 3.0 safety standards to ensure clean and healthy air quality in the car. The 3 electrical systems of Lynk Co. 06 EM-P provide all-round protection such as collision prevention, waterproof, spontaneous combustion prevention, radiation prevention, etc., allowing users to enjoy peace of mind on every journey.